Usaps, the Renezu Mr. Nation, and to my players, welcome to the Nayfu Podcast. Episode number 52, we are coming at you live at the blog, Labtronic Solutions, and if you want to use this podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@labtronicsol.com. Today in the studio, we are joined by Semi Sauce with Uliakanya, Siko. What's your favorite pizza?
What?
Tender pizza.
Nobody belongs in an avocado.
Oh, something.
Something white. Something.
So we are coming at you live at the blog. We are joined by Semi Sauce, Kuhle Samende. Bayisituko sakho?
Magaba.
Banqosithuthi.
Magaba Cihoshe. I think that's Bitanis because Z2 I need it from the paternal and maternal.
Okay.
Yeah. So the Magaba, and then from the paternal it's Mambandla.
Mambandla.
Sisituko eso?
Asisituko Mambandla. Uzalana naye?
No, wena.
Hayibo, anzalana nami ngumncuthu ngumkhwala ngumlanjani ngumsobese.
Zalana wedwa.
Sisituko neso?
Umzangwa, awumazi umzangwa?
I think unisituko enzaziyo.
Kodlamini.
Ewe.
Uqoni utata wakho kaloku.
Those are the only valid stukos.
Hey.
Nisituko.
Unjani wena?
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami kunjani?
Kenzithi ninja. Okay. Okay, hayke. Ndiyavuya man. So Ulia has joined us for a depth. They are friends. Is it correct to call you friends?
Yes, we are.
Oh yes. So for me, I saw from that video that you did that thinking. Before I ask you about unjani and yabo, whereby usiye emlanjeni usithi bana ulinde
Ephupha.
I want us to start from there and then we go back.
Okay.
Yeah. So kwenzeka ntoni kuwe that makes you okanye did you went and consult with someone kodwa you have a calling?
So basically what happened was ndikhule ngumntana ongamameliyo.
Okay.
Yabo. So my mom started with man, let's do imbeleko for lo mntana because she does not listen. Yabo. I used to love drinking a lot. So it started there, and then she believed that since she had a calling and my dad had a calling, definitely so the I will have a calling.
You're an only child?
No, I'm not. But I'm the firstborn.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So she believed that as time goes by, I will definitely have a calling. So it started from there, and then as time went by, then my and stuff like that. Also, I used to academically, I didn't do good at all. So she thought maybe it's one of the things that dragging me. Like everything, you delay. So yeah, she wanted to start hoping that it's gonna continuously because I've never had a dream, but everything that I wanted happened. So she thought it's gonna help. So everything started from there. Yeah.
Okay, and then you went to umsebenzi. Or where initially you've never went to someone to confirm?
We went to people, and they said that she has a calling. The last person we went to, he said, I do have a calling, and I will dream about it. If and guy poopy, and then he can't do anything because he has to follow what I've dreamt about myself. So we went to people and. Then we went to a family member that is also going through this stage, but she hasn't graduated from it.
What graduated?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
so until you poop it, then it begins. Oh, yeah. So Omsiana, what were they shooting?
I'm saying umsebenzi we
Wrong audience. Twice.
No, it's not. But it's just a stage I just forgot the name of it. But it's a stage yeah. We were about to enter. Yeah. So that they went to shoot there.
Oh,
Lonto,
okay,
yeah.
okay, sure. Let's just cut from here and then, because ndiyacinga uba properly funeka ndikubuzile ndifuna ubuza ukuba what do you do? Is it, can we say what uyintoni ngoku? Do you qualify as
Influencer.
influence, but since in terms of ubusangoma ayikabi yokepa inxibayo?
Akaphuphi kaloku.
Oh, I have to dream. While I'm
so-
sebenzi ndandimenzelo, I was not supposed to ndimenzelo.
Because you had to wait for your dream.
Yeah, because now abantu they had questions where, but unxibe njani intsimi ungayiphuphanga? It's a different type of intsimi. So
Okay.
how did you get there even?
So lo tata wamadaka yena. Utata wedaka yena, was it the family member okanye ngomnye
No.
umuntu external?
No, I was at Joburg that time. Yeah.
Kuyathosa naseJoburg.
Hey, siyaskenya. So I was at Joburg that time, and then one of my friends said, "Oh, there's this guy that is so good. She's also going through the same thing, but we are poop." So she's like, "Hey, there's this guy that is so good. I'm a vasa man. You will dream." So I went to this guy. Hey, Ushala Alex, it's deep Joburg. And then he said, "No, come back this other time." But it was like important way. It was money. Like, when are you gonna send money? Like, send money so that we can do this.
Okay.
And I asked the girl, "But yo, why you turning my loom?" Because we haven't spoken about anything but in the family mali. And why is he saying ba uzohamba yoyithenga, but why engakwazi uyenza ngokwakhe? And so I said, "No man, don't worry." Go. You will dream if you go to him. So I went with him, but with a friend, because obviously I wanted to be safe. Yeah. So I went to him with a friend, wathi bana uzothenga inkukhu and stuff like that. So safika bayana salvasa nje. Normal. And then my friend realized siserezini yamba manchomi ayingumayeza ang jonga asholisisa man kumhlaba lo. Like it's a soil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You were
Uthi
using that
ithinga-
soil. Ubusebenzisa le soil to qaba okanye
No, to bese manigalele emanzini ndifuthe so that I can
Okay.
connect
Oh, sure.
with my ancestors.
Yes.
And
What are you
instead,
supposed to dream about?
supposed to dream about ugobela wakho that's going to help you twasa if we are twasa. And obviously if we are twasa uba nezazi zinto mose zenzekayo manu uyaxhuzula. I've never had anything. I have never had any signs.
Ubuzange wabhodla.
Zange nabhodla, zange naphupha, zange naboniso, zange nathini. I've never had any signs, but my mom decided, but we think it's time now.
Maybe the time is still coming.
Maybe.
Do you want it to come on?
No.
You're over that.
Yo, that's a tough life.
Or Diana also.
You,
Okay. Born and raised in Tanzania or
born and raised in Tanzania.
ufunda phi?
Benfunda from primary,
Yes.
ndafunda ephambili kwa-3.
Okay.
And then I went to AW Barnes.
Okay.
I
Some
went-
food pants one? Oh, OPU was a pants. Okay.
And then I went to Queenstown Clip.
Also wamukapa wahamba, okay, and then
And then I came back again. And I went to Portrex. The phone like I'm like
yeah.
Then I went to Airport Rex, and that's where the problem started of me not doing well academically. And then Bandisa David Mam in U1.
Yes.
And I did for I think and then I was going for 2 years, and then I lost focus again. Yeah, and then I went to rewrite my metric at Cathcart.
Oh, sure. That's when you got it right.
Yeah,
Wamka chose girl.
yeah, but I UJ.
kule nto ye-academics, people were saying that awungenanga e-UJ kahle kahle. What do you have to say ngaloo nto leyo? Ungena
Yeah, uba ngingenanga
ngomgubaso
kahle
okanye
kahle.
ndingenile?
Hey guys, dingenile. No one get it, no, actually, Shem, I got help. Ne? I applied for a course because I always wanted to do the course. Ne? But it's just that you need someone to help you. I don't know if I have to say this, but okay, we are here. You need someone to help you to process. I qualified for the course. but someone helped me
Okay.
to get there. Yeah.
Sure.
Mzindo's a space
Yeah,
and
you know, akuthiwa mhlawumbi,
Ekugcwele.
yeah, it was full. It was so
Did you-
full.
stuff. Am I supposed to ask this? Am I allowed?
Everything,
pay?
anything is allowed as long as she's good.
You have to pay. Nothing is for my hand. This is Ramaphosa's economy. So yeah, I had to
Or you had to pay to get in.
pay that person for my space to this course.
So you are there or you graduated.
I haven't graduated. I did the first year, second year, and then this year I took a break because I co-funding. I was not NSFAS funded. It was a self-funded course.
Okay,
Yeah.
self-funded. But where were you getting the funds on? At
My
home?
mom, yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought it can be. I understand you're a business. No, for me, business. Yeah, finance scale.
No. It
I
was
don't
my
know
mom,
Mazi
Shem.
Putney. When did you first know about her?
About her. No, when in pictures, that's trend. I've never really known her. I'm starting to know you now. But I was there when you were shooting Pai Vincent,
Shooting for what?
Pakutaga.
Oh.
Yes, that's the first time I saw
Shooting
her.
who? Her.
Yeah, he was shooting her. As a pictures, that's trend.
Yeah.
Is that a good tweet?
Yes, yeah.
Because there's pictures when there's pictures I'm from high school.
Yes,
Nah.
that's photo on the corner, yeah. And then I just never got to know more. Then born in trend, call him do city. Umdana namsendela 5,000 esithi kum. I think someone used your account. Wayenza profile picture yakho and took other pictures. So umntu watacha
imali.
wathi hamba njonga nansi 5,000 uzozonibona.
Yo. Now, the first time I knew about her was when she was trending. I think it was 2018 or 19. I'm not sure. She was in a relationship with someone I can't mention. Kwakwenzeke ntoni phaya? Because wagxothwa phaya. Wawenze ntoni?
Okay. I think a lot of people want me to say because I've never actually addressed it. What happened was I was in a very toxic relationship with that person, right? Because the person wanted me to understand that he never got a chance to cheat or to have multiple girls when he was young. So now that he got to that stage in his life, can I allow him? But can we still be in a relationship? So that's where the whole conflict started because we are in a relationship, I'm in love with you, and at the same time I have to accept that you are going to cheat, right? So that's where the conflict started. So I felt like, you know what?
When wavuma okanye wathi mayiphela.
Davum.
How old was he and how old were you?
No, I can
Okay.
say that.
Okay.
Okay.
So davuma shem.
Uvuma kuba umthando okanye uvuma kuba ungayipenikeli loo nto.
Kunemali.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Sientweni.
Yeah, so I'm thinking, hey, there's maths, but hey, if I'm Vumanga, then what? Yeah,
Yes.
So lose
yeah.
funding.
So man balances. Yeah. So Navuma, but obviously I got jealous because that was not the first agreement when we started the relationship. I didn't prepare for it. You can't say 7 months. I said 7 months in a relationship, and then you start introducing new things.
But aba bantu, were they interfering with you okanye wawuyicinga kuba engafumaneki noba ubhizi nomnye?
They said I have to get the third party. So that
yourself?
Yeah, so that I don't think he's mingling with other people from outside.
Also, you had to go and get one.
What? And you agreed to that?
Yes,
Uthi wavuma lokho ewe, but did you get one?
I did. I did.
Bayavuma nabo, no
Because
problem.
there's money.
Okay, and then xa nifika pha set up into yobana you giving the instructions to
I
Noah
actually got one girl. Ne?
Yeah.
Others have been through girls posting in his house. But I got one girl. And I contemplated accepting this. I didn't accept it fast,
Immediately,
yeah.
yeah.
But I saw, but there's no difference because this person is still continuously doing this. So I think the best way,
is to have control.
the best way, let me just get this person so that the things will be better because every day I'm finding out new things every week. So there's no rest in this relationship. Yeah. So
When we talk about Mali, how much are we talking?
What We're talking about a lot of money.
Come
A
badge
lot.
or how much?
The highest,
Yes.
40,000.
Oh, okay. I know.
hayi 40k imali eninzi ngelaa xesha bhutni
Landitsho ndithi bana
awunayithenga imoto phaa imoto in fact
That's a lot of money, and you wouldn't get it. And you wouldn't get it like once in a while.
wabezikwazi ukuthi
Ukwazi
continuously
unikwa mhlawumbi 10,000 this week, next week,
40.
next week maybe 20, that week 5,000. Yeah. So it was a lot.
It was good when it comes financially. It was
You see,
good
I even qualified to take a loan
because of his money.
because of the money that
How much was the loan that you had to
I didn't take it, but I qualified.
qualify for? How much?
100k.
Oh, what's the highest? What's the highest you've gotten? There?
I know hayi boy
Okay. Sorry, continue.
Yeah. So I had to get a girl. At the same time, obviously, this is my person. I've been in love with this person. Now seeing him with another girl, I got jealous, but I got the girl myself, and I still got jealous.
Okay, when straight okanye?
Do you know? I mean, he's 5'60", I would say.
No, I'm just asking you, kaloku.
your
Oh,
sexuality
your sexuality.
Konzel ba, are you participating now with both him and
I am bisexual.
even now?
Yeah.
ask the question you want to ask because I know bawufuna ubuza
Ndifuna ubuzana.
uthe was she doing both so
And
obviously,
busila lo.
no
Uthi ewe nje.
kaloku kula relationship yabo it was a 3-way relationship, right? So was it
Tell guy moving go quite question.
I
Understand.
don't understand him about 10.
okay, when you guys were interacting sexually, was it
Yes.
No, kwathiwa qala ndiphuzane ndinibukela. Oh, sorry.
Yes, it was shame.
were you enjoying it xa injeyana okanye were they allowed to have ixesha labo bobabini bona or were you
Yes.
supposed to be there all the
No.
time?
They had their own private time. They would go anywhere they want to. Same as when we have
Can I tell in room when I go?
no some andikho at all.
Oh,
Because I was still
so-
in high school, so I'll be writing exams. Yeah. And the girl was already done with school. So yeah.
Okay, you continuing with the story waxothwa ndifuna uva ndifuna ude
Oh,
ndivele
yeah,
nayo
ending.
kodwa.
ke ngoku, That's how it ended.
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
So I cheated back. Ne?
Ngoba ngoku ubuvumile nje.
Look, I was trying to think like you see, when I was cheating, I was like, no man, some I hate cool because now there's also someone who's gonna disturb me.
Okay, yes.
Like I Buddha man, because I didn't upgrade. I downgraded because it was someone now at my age.
In terms of imali.
Yeah, in terms of I would say financially, I downgraded. Yeah.
Sure.
So he found out, and then he said, "Let's stop." Yeah, but obviously, most of them hi, sorry.
So how did he find out here about you
I
did this?
don't know. He came with all the information. I don't know. I won't
Also,
lie.
you did it multiple times when it was not a once off.
No, it was once, and he found out the next week. I think I did. I think I actually met this guy Friday, like
Yeah.
us meeting, but we've been talking over the phone, and I think he knew from there because he's saying that he said to me, "You guys have been talking over the phone."
Okay.
Yeah.
Then
So-
wathini ke ngoku xa ugxotho lo ubuye wangesola uba nalo okanye?
Nasele ndiyeka kwanto. I needed a break.
Okay.
Yafika njani kwi-socials the video of you being chased out?
Yo, so now
Irekhodwa ngubani video?
irekhodwa
him,
ngubani?
it was him.
Ongafuni ugxothwa?
Yeah, so what happened? Let me tell you guys the story of what happened that day. So, I think after a week, dimcenga, yeah, I tried to go like I wanted to meet. Sorry,
Sorry.
I
Yeah.
wanted to meet up with him face to face, like sit.
Money close.
Yeah, and for the closure. Yeah. So when I came to him, I was a bit scared, yeah, because he was still angry and mad at me. So I came with my friend, right? Because obviously there's drinks they will drink, and then she will go home later on, yeah.
Yeah.
So he said to me before I enter the house, "Please do not post. Do not take pictures in my house. Do not post." And I was like, "Hey, well, so now I don't understand.
Yeah.
Why?
How long after wawuthwe sohlukana did you go back uyocenga?
I think after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
that's
you
why.
still think about
Yeah, I still think that when I'm there, I'm free.
There's-
I'm taking videos.
Yeah.
I'm posting. What I don't post. So I got drunk, and I think my emotions went up because I was trying to understand why must I not post, and I posted.
Okay.
So I think maybe there's someone that told him because he went back. We came to us angry, saying that I think you guys must leave because I told you not to post. Why did you post? Yeah, well. And then I deleted the videos that I posted, and I tried to question him why. Yeah, well, are you dating? Yeah, well. And then he went back to his room. So and then I my man, let me go to the room and ask again about why. Yeah. So before I entered the room, I heard him talking that, hi man, sorry. The thing is, her mother called me saying that she was being suicidal. But I told her to, so they so her mother wanted me to talk to her. And then I entered the room. And then that's when the fight started because I'm like, you can't embarrass me like that. Why would you say I'm suicidal to your girls? You see, so we started going back and forth, going back and forth, going back and forth. And it started being physical. Poof, I was the one that was physical.
Okay.
You see, because I wanted him to delete that
The
voice
VN.
zone. Yeah,
Oh.
because he knows when niggas are leaving, I would trend a voice note, and then I would trend. So I was also
When
trying to
niggas are
protect. Ooh,
Go
social
far.
media. So like no, delete it because you can't say that. So I was being physical by trying to grab his phone to delete the VN.
Sure.
And then he switched on the camera and said, Hamba, what are you doing at my house? And he made it as if, he took my phone first. And he took my phone and then he switched on his camera and said, Hamba, ufuna ntoni endlini yami?" I'm like, okay, fine, give me my phone. He said, Hamba. So he acted like, I did not want to leave.
Okay. But
Whereas
when
he
are
had
you-
my phone.
Oh.
I'm like, I don't care, like,
Phone.
give me my phone.
So that was the first time you trended?
I think that was the one that blew up too much.
More than AS pictures and everything?
More than anything. It was too viral.
Oh, sure. What else do you want to ask?
You recently started a business called Samente Youth Rise. Before I ask about it, may I please ask what happened to Usamente Travels?
So basically what happens to Samente Travels there, since I had one car, it could not work into University hike because we would get a hike from East London to PE, and then from PE to East London we don't get customers. So I decided, you know what, let me just stop for now because I earn the profit.
So how does it work? Find a lift club.
Like it's like a cab
Okay,
that you
sure.
book
Oh,
or
yes.
to take you from PE.
Point A.
Yeah.
Or from outside the
From
city.
outside, maybe Queenstown, maybe Mthatha. So since I had one car and it trips bandiye Mthatha ngikwazi ukufuna abantu back to East London. So la mali bengiyenze for Mthatha izofika ifake petrol to imoto. So there's no profit. So I decided to take it to Bolt. Yeah.
Also, you say usekhona
Isekhona ku-Bolt, but uBolt wayimosha ke ngoku imoto yami, but it's gonna come back soon.
Kanjani?
I think I think he was drunk and then I think we're off Remba. So yeah, they take him.
Oh, driver wakho not Bolt.
Bolt. Like I gave someone my car to Bolt for me.
Yes.
So it's
For the driver.
So it's the driver,
yeah.
not the Bolt. Oh, sure,
the
sure,
driver.
sure.
What driver was it? Your ex-boyfriend? Because if you remember correctly, your ex-boyfriend had the car.
No, it was not him.
When did you take the car from the boyfriend?
I woke car, yeah.
I mean, you gave him your car. Why did you even do that to begin with? Why did you give him your
in a
car?
relationship.
Why is it doors? Umntwa club?
kaloku akazoyanga ufuna uflight mos akafuna uqhuba.
Can I tell you that the boyfriend was using the car to teach other hands how to drive? Was that what she wanted?
No, but kaloku, I did not know that. I was hearing
Okay.
from the outside world about, he's doing this and that. But I gave him the car because my mom had a car. Like there was like a big call.
Yeah, ibizohlala nje. At least my generate something for
me and this
wena.
person, we are in a relationship.
Uyamthanda.
We are in love. So why not?
Yabo.
Yeah, but I didn't take back the car. He got his car. Yeah.
Oh, bekakade benayo qha
No, he
ubumpasela.
did not have a car. He eventually bought a car.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So it was we still ikuye up until he bought the car. He bought a car and then sayithatha sayifaka
Nafaka
ku- yeah.
Oh, and then ngoku ikmechanic izawubuya.
Yeah, izobuya. I think by next month. Because I didn't, and then why she, it was a lot.
Amazi uba uphi ngoyena.
Wamkakwa lapha emuntu kwayena.
I think man, give it to someone oyindoda to handle everything. Akunike imali wena.
But
Yabo?
who? Do you have a
Yeah.
father? That came out wrong. Do you have?
I got to that.
That came out so wrong.
Give it to an uncle man okanye your friend endala. Uthi my friend
Makanike mna.
Manage this.
no even kwawena makayini
Mna
utatakho
ndithini
kanye athi utatakho makahandlishe yabo
Okay.
wonke umuntu yamoyika utatakho even if ubanjwe
No,
ngonoteksi athi hayi yikatayisi le moto then kuzawuthiwa okay vaya yabo give it to someone man and then say ba cela uyihandlishe and just give me if ngeveki yena uzofuna 2000 akunike 1.5 wena.
Okay, but why didn't you take the car to Joburg wena ngokwakho and drive it by
So
yourself?
18 at Joburg, and I can't drive. And
Why?
at Joburg, there's so much hijacking.
Oh.
You can't drive even nango uyabona ba ufundisa ezinye ihanzi phayana ukuba kanti ngifundisa wena.
There was
Oh,
a
by
low blow with
mistake.
Nay. Yayiphi mistake?
By mistake.
Leba umnike imoto kayi leyo bayithatha imoto afundisa abanye abantu.
Leba makathatha funza abanye.
Oh, okay.
Kodwa wenguye no Bolt pha late akusuke ezindaweni zentontoni. Anyways.
Go for it.
Speaking about the ex-boyfriend once again, there was a time when you were going through a breakup and then you went to an ice bath. Kwakusenzeka ntoni?
Sayifela lo ice bath namhlanje. Every time
Yamotivated into
together.
ice bath. Do
So
you know the ice bath?
break up yalena.
The second breakup.
Ni break up ngaphi?
The one that went viral.
Yes.
Okay. That's the one you guys know.
Oh, there was another one.
No, our personal one. So what was your question?
I'm asking, yamotivated into yoba uye kwi-ice bath. Like yaqalela phi yonke loo nto?
Like I had to read through it. When I went to there's healing, there's what, there's what.
Ayifumana phi? TikTok?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just went there because I just wanted to heal, I guess. From
What happened?
everything. No, it's an ice bath. Yeah, but also back for glamands and then
Kaloku you wanted to heal. What happened to the healing after ungenile?
Kodwa wabuyela endaweni yesiganeko after healishini.
Kaloku utsho ividweni mas wayengafuna umyeka yena. Waye phayana engafuna
Kuthiwa
umyeka.
manembhali uba ndifuna umyeka.
I wanted to be a therapy session because I really did not want to, Shem. I won't lie.
So why did you go?
I went there because I wanted to
Move on.
Yeah, I wanted to not to move on. No, I didn't want to move on. I wanted to heal. I wanted to. I don't know how can I explain it. How can you be patient with someone? Tell me.
How?
Like that he's facing. How can you be patient? You know? And at the same time, you felt like you are also damaging yourself. So how can you balance going to the therapy?
How do you show up in relationships? Ngathi girlfriend enjani?
If I andiyazi, but I am romantic, Shem. I'm very romantic, and
How
I
do you
think
know what into na romantic kwakho yenza?
aske ndibonise video and andiyenzele lo sithetha ngaye ngoku when he graduated.
Umthi
Oh,
moto.
shame.
No.
Oh, sorry.
Iskipa sebhola.
Oh,
Yeah.
Immense City.
So Nandi unlike him na.
Kwindongo.
She was never romantic to me. That's how it started. That's how everything started. That's how I know her.
But kaloku nje understandeka.
Understand kanjani?
No, wena ukhanya akangumntu serious.
Can we move along?
You can only now uyanqinela kulonto.
But ukhanya akangumntu serious.
In
Setha
terms of
ujoke.
Oh, so you never really know
uba serious or not.
uthandanyana okanye uyatutsha.
Hayibo.
Ngaye wayisakhe izinto zeviki ne-fortnight after
But nay.
after that.
I've had long relationships, okay?
What's the longest you've had?
3 years, 8 months.
What's the longest you've had one?
3 years also.
No, I must peak in 3 years. After 3 years,
Ewe.
uhlukana.
After
Everything
3
goes
years.
down.
Amantombazana adikwa msinya mos. Nidikwa msinya le. Can we confirm that?
Personally, ewe.
I
Did
feel like
when?
Andiyazi, but ndiyadikwa. It
Are you
just gets
guys
to a
andikwa?
point.
Uthikwa indoda.
but ndikuthanda so ndiko too. I have attachment issues. I think that's why relationships zami zithanda utrenda because xa
Oh,
iphela
by the way.
ndifuna
Funa ingapheli.
Ufuna ucengelwa, basically.
like I go crazy because what do you mean?
Crazy. What do you mean
Now,
awusandithandi?
all of a sudden after so
After
many years
yonke le nto indenze yona,
let's try
indrakisayo.
again, let's try again.
Eh,
So I'm a person who detach. God, it would even take 2 years for me to detach with the born ba ayikho le kodwa le unenzayo.
yeah. I feel like kodwa ngamantombi right lawo. In a toxic way, I feel like ngamantombi right lawo. Nowa umyekile nawe xa usoyicinga when you come to your senses but yes engamyekanga ubaby cinga endlini evula icango okay mntu wam yazi nambe ndiyicinga le nto yethu
But
But
it
it gets
gets
to
to
a
a pride.
point. It gets to a
bakho
point.
grand la ne-pride even uthi ngokuwena ekumoshile funeka kube ngocela uxolo pride ayikho grand pride barayight la ni-right nina uthi ukowenu ube usithi intloko mfana uthengini na uba
You are a kind
I
bishop.
wanna play a game with her, ne?
okay
I'm sorry. Ikuphile le game, unfortunately.
it's fine.
So if the world was ending between these two people, who would you save? Number one, Asemahle Mqoshululu or Asemahle Makai.
I can't. Yeah. Uzongixabisa neetshomi zam. You are
Umhlaba
ndizukwazi.
uyaphela, bra. You have to choose one.
You are khanya itshomi zam yini.
Okay. Next one, Leona Mvandaba and Ubuhle Pikicha.
In terms of what?
The world is ending. You need to save one. Kabanto by two.
Oh, not in a bad way. Ne? Leona Mvandaba. I don't know her on a deeper level. Like we never had to chill with each other like for so long. No, we don't have any some sort of connection. Siyavana content creation wise when we discuss about content creation. I feel like Ubuhle, I would save her because
Okay.
I have a connection with her. Like
The world is ending. Kuku OB, kuku Kanya.
What? Actually, that's a very. Why engataphendule?
okay.
Why
Ngase
engataphendule? Why did you?
Kukhanya. OB afe.
Siyenzibe kanjalo. Siyenzibe kanjalo. Number 3, Alwaba Matyana and Chulumanca Gwabeni.
Alwaba Matyana.
Bazizipho Phoswa and Uncle MC.
Bazizipho Phoswa.
Mbali Gwebushe or Ayabokwa Mkhaliphi.
Ayabokwa Mkhaliphi.
You answering so easy. Bring a phone is be easy. Swazi Msikinya or Sino Witboy.
Swazi Msikinya. Definitely my girl.
Do you have questions?
OB usanoniki amakhadi anibekele wona.
Okay, last one. Liyama Phansi or Uyanda Hlangabezo.
Liema Phansi, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I think I'm going to be asking everyone then.
All right.
What is the most difficult thing you've ever done? Let me ask you, Kyle.
The most difficult thing I've ever done. Yo, yamana xa ufuna ndifundile exam. Yo, that's the most difficult thing.
Kukufunda.
Ukufunda.
Okay.
That's too much work for me.
Wena, what is the most difficult thing you've ever? I come on, ukufunda wena.
Hayibo,
Hayibo,
utheni ngozba
ngokufunda.
difficult kumufunda?
It's gone as difficult. Than ukufunda.
Yeah, na uyabona
Okay,
uqalile.
okay, sorry.
The most difficult thing I've ever had to do was to leave my grandmother and go live somewhere else without her. Yo, that was so nerve-wracking. My family, in fact, nje bona bonke. It was hard.
You had to live where? To where?
I had to leave Abekaya and go to live Therese. But it was not on good terms. I left because things were
Oh, ilezi
teka-teka-ring.
shake.
Ewe.
Oh, okay.
You answer. You can't do that.
I must answer as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the most difficult thing you've ever done. Yo. What's the most difficult thing? Yo.
Uzotayiko.
As long as I've done it, I don't think I don't know how to. I don't know, man. Ukulahla umhlaba, kugalela umhlaba, encwabeni on that day. Yeah, I think that was it. That was a stamp saying, "But yeah, this is it. She's not coming back."
You.
How many times have you been in love?
But in love, come next on date.
Chisa.
Kodwa nami ufana nami.
Now,
Hayi nami every time.
why did you guys not work ngokuxa nifana?
That's a very good question.
Buza wena.
Hayi kubuze yena.
We were
Young and restless.
no, yeah, and she was still into her ex, and I think I also was still into my ex as well. So at some point I born ba sana siyasokolisana and mina ngifuna ubuyela kumntu wami sana. So let me just let her go. So I broke up with her and then
Let's
ngifuna
hear
ukubuyelana
what
naye.
I'm done now.
But
Not kanjalo.
makaxoxa why Netflix ezithi hi I'm going through something so I'm gonna be offline today.
Yo, kanti use exi.
No.
Ewo?
And
So-
engekuchazi no way wena. Wesikaloku wena uthanda umuntu abelapha kuwe
You
wena.
understand?
Go understand.
But she
Akaniki
was in
ne-chance.
Joburg J. What was that Josie
Akaniki
Bush?
a chance. Yoba man benja. So I'm like, this girl is wasting my time. Okay. This
Yeah,
girl is
isn't
wasting my
this
time.
a
So she came with this scenario of I'm still with my ex.
And
But
you
if I
were?
was trying to move on.
Gawe.
Ngam?
Kaloku.
And it could work.
That sounds so wrong. Now you're even put me.
Kanjani?
Undenza i-rebound mna.
Oh, you're rebound, bruh.
Uyi-bound.
Maybe you're gonna be bound to a heartbreak after
by
that.
love.
Okay, I see the attack. Move along.
Okay. Would you try or have you ever tried cocaine? Yo, OB.
I'm sure I've never.
I've never.
Utheni uqhwanyaza?
Because what is this question?
Yeah.
Oh, uzathusindiziwe kafuna nophendula.
What is the wildest thing you've ever done?
So me and my friends, we bolted from Linda to another place, and we wanted to use that money for Pacific staying as something to drink there. So when we got to that place, we just opened the doors and ran away from Bolt.
Usitoti bra.
Okay, la uthetha lowo wild wena. Oh, wena what is the wildest thing? Ungasebenzisa lo wild omnye.
And then there's wild. I'm so innocent and you know that.
What amount of money would you need to consider yourself rich?
Yo.
I would say 10 million.
10 million man.
Yo.
I feel like I'm rich, like 10 million.
Yo.
Eva, uzawutsho nawe.
So when I'm lens.
Yo.
Dad, how much?
Yo. I don't
21.
know.
21 million.
I don't know. I really don't know. I can't answer.
What is the
Yo.
most romantic thing you've ever done?
Decorating a room
Okay.
and lap dancing.
Chesa, uphosa zilap dance kanya.
Ayibona. Why is sakum?
Do you think you'd ever get back?
This is a children.
She knows a lot.
Also, you will never convert a friend into.
I saw the sebenza if ever we would do that. So I think right ngokusizichumi. Siyavana ngokahle ke. Ingasifana.
If ebengumfana still wouldn't work.
How kanya? Yo,
Undenza umuntu onjalo bra.
you mind games.
Hayi. So ndichat. Nanini na.
What is the most romantic thing when yo
What do you think I'm going to say?
nothing?
Exactly. Broke bra. What can I do? But I bought a nigga t-shirts as well.
And on
And
Kaizer
never
Chiefs.
regret. Oh, as a Man City.
Oh, hey, as
Indlela
the
ba-Man City.
Simpsons.
And then it as a Man City, not even a Man City.
So zinga.
As it too shame.
The most romantic thing you can do is give me hair to give to my wife. Ewo?
Buy hair. It's very cheap, very affordable, very
Oh yes, yes.
quality.
What, you also sell hair now.
Anyway, guys, I am selling hair. You guys can hit me up on my socials, Dumkanya Siko, or you can text me WhatsApp at 067 926 8760 for business purposes only, Kesan.
What is the business that you're doing right now?
Oh, I've started a program called Saminde Youth Rise. So it's a compile of things. So we're giving back to the community, to schools that are not performing well. So we're trying to increase the percentage. You see, so now I'm a new person, I'm a new brand.
Okay.
Also to help young girls in nurturing them into content creation space. Those who can't afford to go for photo shoots and makeup. So we try by all means to groom them. Sponsors, so that they can also have that exposure. And since I'm already exposed, I use my page to give them the exposure.
Oh, yes.
So yeah,
That's very
that
How many sponsors have you worked with? Man?
in the beauty industry, I've worked with K Beauty, Aya, Sia,
CIO.
Sia Photography.
Hey, Mo. Okay.
Sia Photography and Okuhle at Edgar's Mac and Vega.
Mac.
Well, Mac.
Mac is it's a makeup brand.
Oh, okay.
So she is basically working there. So yeah, they sponsored our makeup using that particular brand.
Who wants to buy makeup? No?
And there's one Aya. They hosted my model.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And there's one Aya Makalipi. Makalipa. Oh, he's gonna get mad. Mkalip. Oh, he's gonna be mad. But you don't even know my name.
Okay.
Okay.
What was? So that's you're focusing on that now.
Yeah, that's what I'm focusing on right now. And also, I'm gonna get back to Sebi Travels soon.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
because they are boy mode.
So I'm gonna get back there. The business needs to expand. But what I'm currently looking for are sponsors for is called like stationery, pencils and stuff like that. But we are buying them now. We're still self-funded.
So you get money from Londau and then you put it here.
Yeah. We don't have like funding. More to those people, to people that I know.
Yes.
Guys, let's put this together. I want to do this for this school.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm all about
This corner school that you've worked with.
We're currently gonna work with East Kululi High School physics and maths. We got them
Cute.
tutors, yeah.
How do you approach a cute?
Kaloku kalofuna siyibhatele yona. Especially if we want like an experience, a professional that's going to do the work, because we want to improve. You know, it's all about improvement. The results must improve. If eso skolo sithi sisokoliswa ilo subjects, if ever thina size nababantu, they must improve.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's what I'm currently focusing on now. Yeah. And that's why I'm dressed like this, to show that I'm a new brand. I'm not what you guys know. I'm a different person now. You know. So one of the business that
was the past.
That was the past.
Yeah.
Yeah. We passed that.
Shizzled sauce.
Andingisebe sauce ndikliba ngishizzled.
Oh, shizzled boy mosh.
Livela phi lo gama ka shizzled lona.
Mosh akalo shiz.
No, actually I got it from a show. From a Mzansi Magic show.
Yes.
Because my mom no tata babe papa mama tanu search ko Facebook, so I wanted the name as a beat abangandifumani when they search me. Yeah. So it got famous, so I was like, I am an illegal.
Do your parents know about your past?
I'm sure.
Yeah, my mom knows. Me and my mom are best friends.
Your
Yeah.
dad?
Even when everything was happening, she would say, "Hi, mom, Danam, it's fine. So don't. Yeah, but she would encourage me. No, don't worry. And I just do this and that, you know. So my stepdad, no, he's not on social media. He didn't know. My mom or Nechomi that I was on social media, so
We
they would
spent
tell
like
her.
40K. Like you get 40K.
You know what I did? Ndakiflet ekhaya ngasemva.
Oh.
And then I did toilet. Then you go, mama.
But take chocolate.
No, I did the toilet. Yes,
Oh, sorry.
Tight
Okay,
toilet.
yes. So you flat in the toilet. That's where you stay, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like the emotion, shame.
At least
But
you
as in
financially
is emotion,
matured.
that means
It's 10K.
yeah, well, as my must put me to say, oh my.
Uthe imali ecapkela 1,000 rand.
And it's up 1,000 rand.
Yadikanya 1,000 rand.
Yo,
Yadika now?
You are
Uthanda malini wena?
na suma ngisiza kum
Hayi bona buza uthanda malini?
andithandi mali I'm not a fan suma ngisiza kum.
Have you ever struggled with self-esteem? How did you handle that?
I think I still do.
Yeah.
I think I still do. Because I feel like you see when you trend on social media, people throw different opinions. So then you start looking at yourself differently. You trend that it can damage you guys. So it's not nice because people will be saying things. Oh, so I didn't know this about myself. So ndinamabata. Wow, so so that's where you lose self-confidence, and it's so difficult to share when you lose self-confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're beautiful.
Too much.
Thank you.
Wow, Tina. Also, Linus. Yeah, I don't want to continue so good, Tina. But man, I don't think it's about beauty because you know you're beautiful. For the most part, it's about knowing when to filter negativity. Like if you know that today's in hour, just switch off your phone. Yeah, okay. 3 days later, when you are not in your fields, when you read those things, you don't care.
You don't care anymore.
You know? So for the most part, if you are pindi sebantwini, there's always someone who's been waiting for this opportunity.
So
Who's gonna say into ezakuthi nkqu, yabo? And then yabo. So for the most part, if uyabona bazingawe, delete the post, lock your account, unyamalala. And then whoever uthethe i-screenshot bawuthukana ke kuloo nto injalo, but wena 3 days late you can yazi awufana kutrend ku-Instagram.
No, never.
Awufana kutrend okay ku-TikTok kuyatrend but ubokhu uhlale ku-Instagram xa utrenda ku-Facebook.
Uyafuna uphendula.
Yeah?
She's a firm believer of uphendula.
Nditsho kaloku because yambona xa iphendulile iyam-affecta in terms of i-self-esteem yakhe. Even though thina sibona umuntu o-grand yena xa iphendula ezi ways iyam-affecta. So in order to avoid that, avoid at all.
The social media.
Yeah, ungena ku-Instagram be-business reels qha okanye uncokoliswe ngumntu omtsha umbulise ngoko utashe umsiyana, hi friend, yabo, qhubekeke naye incoko phaa, distract imini yonke, and then the following day and then the third day kusuku lesine ukuyobona ke ngoku xa inhliziyo yakhe ithe because I think for the most part zi-amplifyeka nazi-feelings into ezithethwa ngabantu ubone kuthiwe atsho ngesithende akho nto irongo ngesithende but because ubona uba abantu bayakuatheka it affects you. Just a piece of advice. Wena wakho watrend? Yobini, okay. Mfuna ukuthi benifuna ukuthi mini yeza but ngqonile uba mayize.
Ayizuza kutrend umzali wami kunami.
Oh yes.
Ngebhenga
In love.
Umbizela ntoni? Ubudle nawe.
What kind of drunk are you? I don't know, girl. What kind of drunk are you?
Drunk.
I don't drink. Are you affectionate? Do you talk a lot? Do you want to keep quiet?
Yes. When I'm drunk, I share ndiyageza akho kwa romantic. Like if ever sihleli sonke sitting I would choose a low one and ndamhlalela, but not in a bad way ngathi ndiyamgezela but mhlawumbe ndamquestionisha ngalonto but ndimhlalele. So I feel like that's when I notice I know I'm drunk now because ndifuna ugeza, yebo.
Ake ndava kusithiwa you once got drunk waya kwi-highway and you were and I was doing things on the highway. Umane umisa imoto, umane ukhwela phezu kwezinto.
Highway Jules?
Andikho sure ke.
Mna?
They were saying wena xa ushushu
Shamantyhol noko andiphambani ngaloko.
Do you think you're violent when you're drunk?
If we would get on a heated argument, I think I would be.
Uqhoba kuqala?
Ndiqhwaba andikwazi but I feel like
Awunazi nails ne?
I feel like I'm provocative also.
Yeah. Hey.
mhlawumbi ufuna kuqhwebe kaloku uvupha mayakhe.
Kaloku abantu abanee-nails ngawo hayi andiyilwi mna.
Oh,
Umntu endimazi uyalwa nango.
I saw marshmallow.
Obi.
OB is a soft
Previous
uyambona
episode
nje.
uthi wabetha umntu wathini wahlonitshwa sisikolo sonke ngokuthi awuzazi. You jonga.
So that's God.
Oh, you don't fight.
I want to ask a question, but I think, but probably if you're not comfortable with answering, it's okay. There's a time you were trending for allegedly unaliving a friend of yours. How did it affect you, and how did you deal with it? Also, ngakhali bra. How did you deal with that? Because wadibana with your mother and you guys did something to the friend and then the friend died and stuff.
Okay, so firstly, rest in peace to my friend, Specialist Smith.
R.I.P.
May his soul rest in peace. I don't know why did social media do that? I don't know.
I did go ke wayenza first year and senze final year mna pha i-4 wayenza law ne.
Yeah, she was doing law.
You know her?
Yeah.
I know.
So you see when you're trending, ne, and people don't have anything to say about you anymore because
Who
they've
started
said-
that rumor? Do you know?
No, I posted something and it trended. Ne. So people were like, "No, you are wrong for posting that thing." So they will obviously swear against into that I know already or that they've been swearing me. So I think they wanted something new.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think it was just creativity, honestly.
What did you post on?
You are unfuntetanga.
A lot was posted
I
that
wouldn't
day.
need credit like loan to. I don't even want to give that person the credit. So it was just a petty thing. It was nothing much.
Yeah, escalate.
So
But
it
ungena kumama wakho
escalated.
yena.
Oh, even when I trended, the ex-boyfriend, the first ex-boyfriend she asked me about.
Yes.
Bafike umama.
Bawutheni mama wakho?
So what does her mother have to say about this? He no nguye that is pushing this girl to do this.
They were saying bakuthakatha boyithu nomamakhe.
And apparently siyathakatha no mama he.
Like yintoni like kuthini thakatha kanye.
Sana.
They were taking pictures zakhe nomamakhe bephayela ntuke when she was doing the initiation tonton.
The
Show
traditional
the youth. They
ceremony.
were saying ubana they were not doing lando yakhe yothwasa, instead bebethakatha abantu. Right? And they
I mean,
the worst they said was
but there's a
that
picture that's photo umsiyana.
that's what wrong. The worst they said was
Msiyana
that
mos. Ndosa okay.
so bathu wabula lichomi yakhe ke ngoku. And then I think that's when the drama stopped, because I think it triggered something kuye, and then waphele yekisa kwalo drama wathula cwaka nje.
Yeah man, because you can't play with
No,
that.
I can't. How am I
play
going to
with
answer
that.
going forward? But that I'm still grieving about, you know.
Did you know she was not alive anymore?
Because we did a shoot in Dimna no Tsobani. Wayivana kakhulu no Tsobani fan. So I remember this one time dibabambele light elwandle befotela phayana. And then I think that was just that. Couple of weeks later, after posting the picture, was gone. And he has kwenzeka ntoni, like doyika nobuza ke mna ke xa kuthiwa rest in peace by bethini, even though sometimes ngumuntu endimncanywayo but ndoyika nyhani ubuza.
Because bang too insensitive because low information ngoku. Uyabona?
Yeah, fucking hell, rest in peace man.
Should I ask again?
Yeah, you can ask.
Ndakubona uba usenyukelela intonto endiphaphu.
No, like we'll continue with this one, it's fine. Especially, most if you accuse someone of something like this, they can sue you for defamation
of character.
Especially when ungenanantsika.
It's it was just creativity, but I was like, I'm not gonna answer because I respect my friends so much, so I can't answer further. Yeah, but I think since they don't know how she died, so I think they wanted me to open. They wanted me to open a space, but ndithethe
Oh, this is
how
what
what
happened.
happened. Obviously, I'm not gonna do that because I have to respect the family. They've never spoken about it, and I can't speak about it too.
And imagine incosi yakhe xa inofunda zona
Exactly.
uba-
So funeke ndibe ndi-exposer. No. So I think that it's also they were also trying to find a way to know because they never knew.
I think
What
abantu
do-
are
what
just
do-
insensitive. man.
They're very insensitive. Very
xa umuntu
insensitive.
enechance wesiyabhatala ngoba enzathi xa umuntu enechance makamdelete xa uzoluza imali.
And I think also the reason why I did something because they created this scenario. There was a person that I was talking to. Ne. So that person went to Cape Town also. You see, where everything happened. So they both died same day. The person that I was in a fling with. So they say that they were connecting dots. So maybe I'm the one who did this because they thought my friend was with my boyfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah. So since they both died, so maybe it's me that did that.
When I open,
No, it was not. And they were also not. And he was also on his things like business trips and stuff. She was celebrating her birthday.
So they thought they were together.
So people thought they were together because it posted the same day. Yeah.
okay.
There's a video you posted on the 11th of March and you had a red eye. I once heard that your boyfriend was physically assaulting you, your ex-boyfriend. Were the rumors true? If they were, how did you manage to leave the relationship?
I can't answer that shit, honestly.
No problem. Okay. Are you currently in a relationship?
I can't use tags.
Can this podcast ando napha? Sizothini kandapha?
Am I? No, I'm not.
Hayi umsiyana.
Umsiyana uthanda ubiza umsiyana.
Okay.
Are they together?
Not together.
No, Lucia is my friend.
It's a friend, yamazi kaloku. Iya friendship yena. Wonke umuntu nawe i-friend kuwe ne.
No, I'm not.
Okay. What advice would you give young girls who look up to you?
Shit, I hate that question.
You hate it?
Yes, because why you need to look up to me, but it's fine. What advice I would give a young girl who's looking up to me? You see, everything that we discussed now, my past life, I would say, it's okay. Let me be specific. Never date older guys for money. Never do that. Never make that mistake in your life. As a young girl, run away from that because it takes a lot from you more than the person.
More than the money you get.
More than the money you get. Like, it's not worth it. We all need money, I know, but I don't think it's that worth it. If I can do it.
Definitely wayenza kaloku ngafunda.
Ephazamisa motivation. Ayenziwa xa motivatewayo mamela.
Oh, okay. I think okay. No, I'll cacisela bantini, but okay. Continue.
So it's never about money. Like, don't choose. Johan goes motivate like a guy's name, but don't choose money over yourself. Also, go for what you want. Be a go-getter. Go for what you want and study. I guess. Study.
There's a quote you usually write on your statuses. Iti iphupha alifi, something like that.
Iphupha alifi umnikazi esaphila. So whatever your heart desires, make sure that you get it. If unale vision, apha kuwe enhloko, it will come true. Just be consistent. Yeah.
Put your mind to it.
Bese uyayicapukela ke wena motivation kodwa ufuna motivate.
Motivation. Andimthanda motivator.
Uyayicapukela.
Oh, awuthandi mna.
Motivator wena.
Yho wena lo ukhala kum wena.
Son motivator. Ewesixhosa uzayidraga. Uyuse eza quotes zobana whatever you're going through now izawugqitha. Ndinike duration izawugqitha nini? Don't just say
Ndiyaqalela nje mna.
Ngizawuyazela lapha
Ndiyaqalela
Ah,
mna.
so
Mna
uthethi
ndiyazi uba izawugqitha nini.
Nini ixele kaloku naye.
Ndiyaqalela nje ndithi kaloku just wait until then uzoba grand.
I can't wait. Mayiphele ngoku. If undigowa ngoku manje kugowa
Ndekhe
ngoku.
ndazama umotivator
Oh,
now.
mase kufuneka ndikunantsike mos. Funa ndingakuhoyi xa manje usithi put me.
Ndihoye but soon motivate.
Ndithini ke
Not
ngoku?
athini.
ndinika imali.
Abethi akayithandi ke manje.
Two colors yavela. Jo.
Bunebuza, do you have another question?
You 1 hour, we've passed over an hour. Kumandela?
Okay, one last, two
Okay, sure.
two questions.
Sure. I think nebetu opi utiapel.
Okay, from here going forward, what should we look forward to?
Yes.
Ewe, what should we expect from Siphiwe Kuhle Samente?
Empowering youth.
Okay.
Content creation space. I'll be doing a lot of donations this year. Mainly to also not to schools only, but to these communities too. Yeah.
We also need a donation, man, up podcast.
Donation and all.
We don't pay. Everyone is just working volunteer. They are OP, for example, they are volunteering for the way. Umsiyana xa ifota abantu naxa zonke zonto zakhona.
So why don't you guys look for funding?
Wayengaqhankqalazanga opioid ufuna ubhatala.
Yeah, waqhankqalaza. Ayaxoka lo ufuna into ehlekisa. Yeah.
Funding. Also, now I feel like I'm going to struggle a lot, but
Do you not want to like uthi ngowethu and then wena umhle uzawubona ngumuntu pha athi what do you need mntanam?
Sumthatha ndimfunele yam podcast torh.
ndiyafuna uba busy guys.
Kaloku andimthathi but uzawuba yifront uzawuba yiface. She doesn't have to be in when umfuna in mos. Yeah. Or maybe we will use you. Okay, no, no, it doesn't sound right. Also, to use you, but you will be the face. Yeah, you will be
Of
the
the
brand
podcast.
ambassador.
Uzamfaka kwi-cups.
Oh yeah, yazi uba kunofakwa yena phayana noko zingavaya.
Imalini cup?
25 rand.
So I used to be 40 rand.
Cheers.
If it has
What businesswoman giving?
Siyiplane wayigqiba. How can people find you on your socials? I think that's the last question I have.
Instagram queen_semisource, Facebook chiseled Samente, TikTok queen_semisource, YouTube Siphiwe Kuhle Samente. Yes, that's where you can find me.
Oh, okay. What Wena in closing? Her Majesty.
You guys can find me and at Yasiko everywhere. TikTok.
Even open the page.
Doni igama lakho yanuel.
Kakavula page ndiyamthethelela.
Shaman Vuli page. I'm using my original account.
Asenbuza just igama layo.
Crowned by Kanyasiko.
Oh, Ncimo Her Majesty.
No, I'm using my name.
Oh, Majesty ngokabani? Oh, damn. Sorry. Tuphazamisa DJ. Sorry. Maybe we are heading there.
Yeah,
I received.
manifest.
What's your favorite song right now? In closing.
Kusho bani?
I'll go close.
Kusho wena. Siyamba sonke. Uswelila. Siyamba sonke.
What's your favorite song?
You're in December kwingoma.
Ngoma. What's your favorite TikTok sound?
Scared to get attached.
I'm scared.
Yeah. Do you know that one?
Okay.
TikTok kanjani kanti wena?
Yena nditsho ba bo ndikhe ndabona kwenye video yenixheko ekuthiwa ndithi hey bras nibafumana apho TikTok abanje nini. I think mna ndiku TikTok othetha ngento
Motivations.
Yeah?
Low motivations.
Bible. Into zilakhisayo man but ayizontetho. Like zi-comedians yabo that's my TikTok. Wena xa ungena ku TikTok ubona into esikakhulu.
Nami ndifuna nezi kuba nabo bathanda utuja.
Uze
nenye and then there's our dances.
But uyathanda
Those
motivations ku TikTok wakhe I think ugcwele zona as the financial motivations and stuff.
Yeah, and Instagram kakhulu.
Esikakhulu ngibona obi.
Usaposta one blocker.
Put your best foot forward and your best foot is a size 6. Yeah.
Nami unqabile shem ku FYPM.
OP.
She used
But
to
she's
appear a
coming
lot.
back now. She's coming back
She
with a
must.
bang.
You must.
Yeah, well, she's in love again.
Yeah.
Oh
ne?
yes, congratulations.
So's our boy. In closing, okay,
Yeah.
we close
Yeah,
for
close
real.
Manyano.
Guys, it was not a trend. We're still saying justice for Cwecwe. She hasn't found
Guys.
justice yet, okay, guys. Let's not stop posting. Let's not stop sharing and stuff. You can do your closing.
Justice for Cwecwe.
If you show up every day, if you show up every day, you never miss a lucky day. But you're feeling.
Is it now?
If you show up every day, you never miss a lucky day. So if every day, if I will call that means why I walk. Continue doing what you do out there with 200 to say
Motivation
that will be your
again.
lucky day. Yeah, well, so keep showing up now. Keep Yazi, whenever a business idea comes, explore that. Whenever something comes, explore that because you communication there. And you might hit a gold, and that gold work could save a lot of lives, and you could change a lot of lives. And then yan umrebrand uzawubonakala ke ngoku to wena iyaba testimony whatever you've lived through is be testimony yobana this is how far I've come and this is how far you can go even with however even noba ipast yakho njani na. So yeah, if you show up every day, you never miss a lucky day. That was it from me. This has been the Nayful Podcast, episode 52. We are out.
This podcast has been proudly brought to you by Electronic Solutions, recorded at the Block Studios. And if you want to use our facilities, get in touch with us on all our social media platforms, Leptronic Solutions. Email us admin@leptronicsol.com.